people of this world. So today I'm going to be doing a shoe unboxing of one of the most iconic ugly dad shoes of this year, and that is the Fila Disruptor 2. And I'm so excited to show you all because I actually have these in two other colors, but I just bought two more today in the new colors that just come out this past year. I'll show you all of the colors that I have. So let's get on with the unboxing. So the first shoe that I'm gonna unbox is called the Disruptor 2 Premium Patent Shoe, and here it is. And I got it in a size 7, which is my size, and the lilac color. This beautiful pastel lilac color. And I feel like pastels have been trending this whole past year. And the first reason that I love the Disruptor shoe, because it's a ugly dad shoe with this patent material, which I think looks super sleek. It's a bit water resistant with this material, so you can keep your feet a bit dry. And also I just love the whole color, this whole monochrome look from the shoelaces, and then right here on the side is the embroidery of the Fila, and the heel and the inside of the sole and the heel. Just everything is in this beautiful lilac color, which I absolutely adore. And next, I'm gonna be unboxing my second shoe, and this one is called the Disruptor 3 Zips. So I feel like either some of you are just gonna hate it or maybe like it. I feel like it's an acquired taste because there is a zipper on it, so it makes the ugly dad shoe even like a next level, that much more ugly. But when I saw it, I just thought I really loved it, and I already have white Disruptor 2s in the whole white color, so I feel that what sold me was this zipper. And let me show you how it looks. So up here is again the lilac, which I'm loving a lot, and then this little banana yellow color for the embroidery for the Fila, and then it matches right here, this little embroidery down here with the yellow and lilac. And then back here we have again the same colorways, and then also in the sole we have the same logo with the yellow and the lilac print. However, for the zipper is in pink and lilac color. And let me see if it's actually functional, because I saw these on the website and I was like, they're weird, but kind of like them for some reason. They make the shoe look unique, and they do actually zip. Just so funny. I don't think I would ever use it, but that's how it looks. So I feel like if you want these shoes, the zips, the Disruptor zips, if you want something a little bit more unique than just the plain white ones, I feel that these is a good way to go. So let me know how you like the zipper. Do you think it's more ugly, or do you prefer it? Do you think it's cute? Let me know. I just showed you two of the ones that are part of my newest collection, but I also want to show you two of my previous ones that I first bought. And the first one I want to show you are these white ones, and they're the classic white Filas, and they just have the original blue and red embroidery, and I just think these are so sleek and cool. And also all the Instagrammers wear them, so it's super cute. The reason why I love these are because, you know, it just matches with everything, with jeans, with dresses, with shorts, just anything. So if you just don't want to think about it and just wear a shoe, this one would be the perfect one. But if you want something that kind of stands out, that makes an accent into your outfit, then I also have these ones, which are the gold metallic Filas. And I've had many compliments on these, and they just really pop out since it's super metallic and gold. There's also 2 other colors, which are silver and rose gold, so you can check those colors out too. But I just love this because if you just wear this with like a casual outfit, it'll just make it stand out and everybody will notice your shoes because of how like bright and how out there it is. Right now I'm going to talk about the sizing of the shoes. So I feel like for how comfortable these shoes are, they're super comfortable. They have a really good cushion on the sole, and when I've worn these for long periods of time standing or walking, I haven't felt any soreness or at all. So I would say that you know, you don't have to break them in. It's super comfortable. Also, if you would like some height, this is the shoe for you because there's a huge chunky platform on these. And even though it looks like it's super chunky, this shoe is super light, so you don't have to worry about dragging your feet around all day in like super heavy chunky shoes. And lastly, for the fit of these shoes, I would say for me, it fits pretty true to size. I'm a size 7. However, I've read some comments where people say that it's kind of tight because as you can see here, it narrows in, so you might feel a little bit tightness. So if that's the case, I would say you should go 0.5 up from your regular size. Overall, I really like the Disruptor 2 series, and I also like all the new colors that they've been putting out. If I could, I would buy all the colors, but you know, I don't need that many shoes, but maybe I do. I'm just kidding, but let me know which one you like the most. So did you like the zipper one, or the patent lilac one, or the classic white ones, or the gold ones? Or if there's another shoe that shoe color that you've been liking, please let me know. I would love to see them. And if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and comment any suggestions. If you want to see how I style my Fila disruptors, I can do that for you too. And until next time, bye!